So from Shavasana, you can slowly bring your feet together. Keep your arms close to the body. Keep your neck relaxed. Now, raise your legs up. Lift your hip up. Try to roll back and support your back so that you can support the back. Now, we will try to straighten up even more. You can bend your knees. Touch your knees on your forehead if it is possible. And now interlock your fingers. Straighten your arms in front. Squeeze the shoulder blades and shoulders under the body as much as you can. Now support your back a little bit higher on the middle back region. Middle back region. Killa. Now try to lift your legs up and you see if you can straighten up completely. Legs more up, more up, more up. So you are trying to be as still as possible in shoulder stand. Once shoulder stand is properly achieved, we can try holding the balance without the use of the arms. So with the use of the arms, it is called Salamba Sarvangasana. Now we are trying Nirlamba Sarvangasana. You can first only take your right hand and see if you can raise it up. Then again support your back. Then you try doing it with your left hand. And again take the hand back. Now again straighten up as much as possible. And you're going to take the right hand first. And see if it is possible to take your left arm as well. Take your own time. Try to balance without the support of your arms. This is known as Nirlamba Sarvangasana. You can try it. So the body can lean a little bit towards the back. That is fine. So the entire balance is achieved on the shoulders. You can support your back again. Now we will try to go for Halasana next. Just take your legs towards the ground with control. Here we try to keep our knees straight, neck relaxed, and flex the feet. Completely straighten your knees. Now you can interlock your fingers, straighten your arms in front. This is known as Halasana or the Plow Pose. For coming out of this position, you can flatten your arms in front, keep the palms flat, and push the palms into the ground. They are using like a brake. Vertebra by vertebra, you will start lowering your back down very slowly and steadily. Your neck should be relaxed the whole while. Engage your core to control the descent. Slowly relax. Very good. You can completely relax now.